How to back up Google Keep Notes. Now, first things first is, of course, access your Google Keep Notes and tap and hold on a specific note that you would like to have a backup with. And just to simply press on the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen and choose on copy to Google Docs. And just wait for it to load up. Now, once it's copied to Google Docs, just simply open it and tap on OK. Now from here, just tap on the three dots again, located at the top right corner of your screen, and then scroll down a bit till you find Make Available Offline. Now, the only way or the only thing that we can back up the specific notes that you would like to do is to have that notes be available offline. So to do that, just copy that specific notes to or move that specific notes to your Google Docs and just simply open up that notes and go to the three dots at the top right corner. And then once you're here, just choose on Make Available Offline and file will be made available offline. So that's it. That's how you back up Google Keep Notes.